So for the last few years, China's been doing something that hasn't been done ever in modern history, which is to relink gold directly to its currency. So in simple terms, China wants to rebuild how money works. This is probably the most interesting story that you're going to hear this year, and it caught my eye after watching a podcast by TFTC, and it blew my mind. Now, some people call this the debasement trade, but this is so much bigger than that. Here's what's happening. Over the last few years, the People's Bank of China has been the biggest buyer of gold in the world.
China and its allies
That's right.
buying gold and selling treasury bonds in order to damage the dollar's reserve currency status. Here it is.
And at the same time that they've been buying, China's also built something called the Shanghai Gold Exchange, which is already the biggest physical gold marketplace in the world. They just opened a new vault in Hong Kong, and they're building what's called the Gold Corridor, which is this network of vaults across the BRICS countries. And it will allow those countries that hold the yuan to trade them in for physical gold. That gives China's currency something that the dollar lost a long, long time ago: trust, right? Because gold can't be frozen, can't be printed, it's much harder to debase, and it can't default the same way that treasuries and dollars can. And as of July 2025 of this year, gold has officially been reclassified to what's called a Basel III Tier 1 asset. That means it now counts the same as cash or treasuries on a bank's balance sheet. So the theory is that the next step is that gold will be upgraded again to what's called an HQLA, a high quality liquid asset. That one change is gonna unlock gold's full potential. That will let countries use it for something called repo and financing, which is the foundation of the entire financial system. China has been systematically solving all the problems that countries had with using their currency. This is a theory of what's about to happen to the world. There's a parallel financial system that's being built right now to compete with dollars. This gold-backed strategy will allow China to build a way to lend and to trade and to develop outside the dollar and outside the West.